Now I prepare one whole chicken, frozen chicken. I make it wash now. Then I make wash properly so that they have no smell. I clean it and I cut into a medium size. I make now chicken, fried chicken a la Kentucky or KFC. And finish, I make marinate chicken and I prepare any kind of powder milk, salt and lemon and black pepper powder. Then salt, black pepper and lemon juice. Then I mix it in the chicken cut in the medium size. And this one the finish. And we'll marinate this one. I put in refrigerator for 2 hours or 3 hours and leave it to absorb the seasoning in the chicken. And I prepare the another ingredients for how to fry the chicken. And this is the mix all ingredients for the fried chicken a la Kentucky. Mix all the ingredients. I prepare frying pan, put oil, not too much, and I separate the powder for two. And I prepare water, cold water. And now I'm starting to fry. And this is the chicken that marinate. First, I put this in flour. And then I put in the water. And then I put in the flour again. And then I put in the oven. Just wait until the chicken become a golden brown.